Being a real estate investor is one of the most important and rewarding jobs on the planet. We get to clean up and rebuild our city, and at the same time, we get to provide people an affordable place to live. There's nothing in my life that I have done that's better than doing this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started in real estate investing, even if you are a complete beginner. If you're brand new and you're wondering, where do I even get started with real estate investing? Then this series is for you. This is part 1 of my beginner series. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get started investing in real estate the right way, without guessing and without taking on more than you're ready for. A lot of people online tell you that the first step in real estate investing is wholesaling. I disagree. The first step in wholesaling real estate is not to wholesale real estate. The first step is bird dogging. Bird dogging is the process of finding deals for other investors and collecting a finder's fee. You hand off the deal to the investor and let them handle the contracts, the negotiations, the closings, everything. It's completely hands off, but sides looking for the deal. Once the deal closes, they give you a finder's fee, and then that's it. The only work you do is finding the deals. So you have to get really good at finding deals. This is the best way to start in real estate investing if you're completely new. Here's what bird dogging looks like in real life. You learn how to spot good deals. You bring those deals to an experienced investor. They do all the heavy lifting, and you get paid once the deal closes. You're learning the business without taking on the responsibilities yet. So that means no contracts, no closings, and no negotiations. You're just getting really good at finding opportunities at this stage. Wholesaling is the next step after bird dogging. Wholesaling requires you to know what a property will sell for and rent for in good condition. You have to understand after repair value, and you have to have a basic knowledge of estimating repair costs. Wholesaling is the process of getting properties under contract and then assigning that contract to another buyer. But here's the key. In order to put properties under contract, you have to make sure that the property that you're putting under contract is really a good deal. And a deal means that the property is priced under market, is priced under the repair costs, and is priced low enough that the investor can still make a sizable profit after paying repair costs, acquisition costs, and your assignment fee. That takes networking and market knowledge, which is why I don't put wholesaling as step 1. Knowing what a deal is requires knowledge of the area that you're planning to invest in. The best way to get this knowledge is to find an experienced investor in your market and shadow them. In exchange for their knowledge, you can bird dog for them. In other words, you'll find them properties off market that are priced below their market value. So you're getting paid a finder's fee, plus you're getting knowledge from that experienced investor. So essentially you're making money and learning your market at the same time. In order to become a bird dogger, you have to get good at finding cheap off-market properties. In order to do that, you have to create lead flow. Lead flow is the most important part at any stage of your real estate investing career. You need these leads in order to turn them into deals and then into more money. Not only do you need leads, you need high quality leads. So you won't waste time on homeowners who are less likely to sell at a cheap price. If you want to learn how to find high quality leads, I've got you covered. Check the description or look in the comments. I have it pinned. It's a step-by-step guide on how to find high quality leads, exactly what to do once you receive them, and how to find high quality cash buyers or experienced investors so you can hand off these deals to these experienced investors. This guide is going to help you with the most important part of this entire process: getting good deals from the most motivated sellers and handing them off to the most qualified cash buyers. So to recap, step 1 for beginners is bird dogging, not jumping into wholesaling real estate right away. Your number 1 job as a bird dogger or at any stage in your real estate investing career is lead flow. The fastest way to learn is to work with an experienced investor in your market and get paid while you're doing it. In the next video in this series, we are going to go deeper into real estate investing. We're going to touch on wholesaling, how it works, and how to avoid making the mistakes that beginner investors make. If this video gave you value and you want to follow this whole journey step by step, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, and don't forget to pick up the guide that's in the description and it's also pinned in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video in this series.